I managed to get in game once, and it's been crashing ever since. I just tried deleting my save file, and we want to see if that lets us get in, because I think maybe my save file got messed up or something. Or one of the debug settings doesn't like starting the game or it's on or something. This is very unstable. My analog stick has some issues, but it's fine. You see I'm in game. If I push pause, go to options, and there it is, the debug settings. And I can enable like unlock all DLC, use D-pad for debug, craft anything. Oh, it's use D-pad for debug. If I push the left D-pad button, I just change skins. I can't figure out how to open the debug menu. It's not down. Down just makes you sneak in this version. And I've tried all the other buttons. Something seems to work. But I'm in game. Now, this is very finicky. If you enable the wrong settings, you can just break the game and you have to delete your save and retry. But I'm in game. I also couldn't get the tutorial to work. It crashes when I open it. But I'm in game on Vita. And it's possible that stuff never worked anyway, because this is actually before release on Vita. It's actually a pre-release version of the code. I mean, my analog stick needs some issues. I've replaced this analog stick like 10 times. The Vita 2K. Don't get a Vita 2K.